There is a state ADHD brains enter that has a clinical name, executive paralysis. It's an experience impossible to explain to someone who hasn't had it. The deadlines are real, the stakes are real, and you are sitting in front of the thing that you need to do, and you're not doing it. It's not because you don't care, and it's not because you're lazy. It's because starting requires executive functions, and your executive functions has gone somewhere else. Here's a reframe. Your executive function didn't leave. It went underground. The CEO went underground. And in ADHD brains, when CEO mode goes underground, something different starts happening. Rapid associative connection making. Your brain starts following threads. This reminds you of that, which connects to this, which is related to that, which I read last week, which suddenly makes something else seem obvious. This is high-level cognition. It just looks from the outside as if you've been looking at a wall for 45 minutes straight. The problem isn't that state. The problem is you have nowhere to log what comes up. Minor mode is that bucket for you. I'm in minor mode from the home screen. The screen is blank, intentionally. There are no categories, no labels, no structure, no prompts. It's just a cursor. Start typing anything. The idea that's circling, the thing that just connected, the observation you had, it doesn't need to be complete. It for sure doesn't need to be linear. You are not writing notes, you're catching thoughts before they disappear. Because they will disappear. Each thought saves automatically. No send button, no organize step. No decide what folder this goes in step. It just saves. Later, in CEO mode, from your desk, when the surface brain has returned, you go through the mind thoughts. Some of them will be nice, but some of them are the insights you've been circling for 3 days. The minor mode doesn't sort. It catches. And as usual, the full framework. What's actually happening cognitively during executive paralysis? Why ADHD associative thinking is a strength with a redirection problem, and how the mind thoughts architecture was designed around it is in the ADHD Paralysis science article that's as usual linked in description. It is one of the clearest explanations of this mechanism anywhere. Next, it's tutorial 7, feelings and QC, quality control, box 5. Subscribe. I'll see you there.